Today we're going to make a delicious peda from the holy city Mathura. We're making Mathura pedas this festive season. Let's see how they are made. We're going to start making khoya first with cow's milk. I have 1.5 liters of cow's milk here. Now I'm going to switch on the flame and we're going to bring the milk to a boil on medium to high flame. Once the milk starts boiling, use a spatula and stir it around. Lower the flame and continue cooking the milk till it reduces. While the milk is boiling, let me tell you how this recipe came to be. It is said that Lord Krishna's mother was actually boiling a little bit of milk, but because she got distracted, the milk evaporated and reduced down into a nice form. Because she did not know what to do with it, she added a lot of sugar to it and served it to Lord Krishna, and he absolutely loved it. Keep stirring the pot till the milk reduces quite a lot. At this point of time, the milk may start sticking too vigorously to the pan. So to avoid burning from any side, you can add a tablespoon of ghee and keep cooking it as you mix. Make sure to turn down the flame after adding the ghee. At this point of time, the mixture may start to bubble and pop, so be careful while mixing it. And whenever you feel that the mixture is sticking to the sides of the pan, add a little extra ghee. If you're looking to make crumbly khoya at home, this is where you can stop. Now I'm going to lower the flame and add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to this. Mix it really well. As the powdered sugar cooks, it will caramelize a little more and turn darker in color. The mixture will first get softer, and as the sugar starts cooking, it will get more and more crumbly. At this point of time, I'm going to add in 1 more tablespoon of ghee. The mixture has become nice and crumbly. It has started getting a lot of color on it. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of ghee just to ensure that nothing burns. We're going to stir and cook this till the color turns quite deep. At this stage, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of milk. You can see that the sides of the pan have a lot of oil released onto them. Make sure to scrape them ever so often and mix it with the mixture. Keep adding milk wherever required. Smash and keep cooking it till the color is nice and even. After turning off the flame, cover and let the mixture cool in the same pan. This should take about 30 to 40 minutes. The mixture has cooled down completely. Come, let's have a look. The mixture has turned nice and crumbly. Let's take it off in a plate. I'm going to crumble this completely now. Next, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to this and 1 teaspoon of crushed elaichi. Let's mix this together. Make sure there are no lumps in the sugar that you're adding. Once the mixture is ready, make sure to have a plate of castor sugar next to you. I'm going to take a little bit of the mixture and press it between my hands. As you toss it around while pressing it, the ghee will start releasing and the mixture will start getting even softer. At this point of time, it will start looking shiny as well. Start rolling it between your palms. Once it takes an odd shape, you can start rolling it around in the castor sugar. Toss it in your hands and remove the excess and place it on a plate. This is the traditional shape of a Mathura Peda. Our beautiful Mathura Pedas are now ready to serve. Definitely give this recipe a try and let me know how they turn out in the comment section below. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.